Well, what I'm seeing here is a little bit of drip coming out of that damn overflow, probably for the air conditioning, I'm guessing. It's cold water, but my truck is losing coolant. Not sure why that hose down there would be leaking like that. Any idea what's going on there? I'm thinking it's probably a heater core maybe. I'm going to check my floor real quick. See if it feels any kind of wet back there. No, my floorboard and everything feels, my carpet and stuff feels great. It's not oily or watery or nothing.